This is a magnetic hoop by Sewtalent. They are found on Amazon, and I recently got the 4x4 because I heard that the magnetic hoop was great, and I heard that it is strong, durable, and I heard that it leaves less of a hoop mark. It feels really sturdy and strong. It comes with this grid in the middle. The magnetics are strong and sturdy, and they slide right on and off. So we are going to do a quick demonstration. I'm going to embroider my daughter a little shirt for Halloween, and I'm going to use the magnetic hoop to do it. Okay, so this is really nice because there's little grooves that you can feel on the hoop, and they fit perfectly. The instructions say to slide the magnets, put it on, and then slide it out so that it holds the shirt nice and tight. And I totally see what they mean. This embroidered so nice, and the hoop worked so good. That embroidered so nice. Nothing is puckered. It held, look at that, zero pucker. Very happy with how that turned out.